Hello everyone, in today's video I would like you to take a look at something called CartWheel. So I recently found this website that allows you to create custom animations based on prompt. So essentially it's text to animation platform, and you can use the motion capture files for games, apps, AR, VR, and essentially it can work with Maya, Blender, Cinema 4D, Max, Houdini, and any other apps that works with motion capture files. So I contacted CartWheel, letting them know that I actually think it would be really cool to try some of their animations, and they asked me to create like a 20-second demo, like a case study demo video with my characters using their animations. And I wanted to show that to you guys. It's only 20 seconds long. You can check it out right now. Hi, my name is Alan Balodi, and I'm a 3D artist and animator. For the past 20 years, I've been creating 3D models, game characters, and animations, and as of recently, I've been really excited to find CartWheel. It is a powerful text-to-animation platform that allows you to animate characters for your videos, games, AR, or VR projects simply by typing text. Once you generate what you like, you can download your animations, and they are compatible with pretty much any 3D software that supports FBX format. This is just a short sample of a few fun animations I was able to create personally with my own characters in Maya. Alright, so if you want to check them out as well, there's going to be a link below this video. I encourage you guys to keep an eye on this company. I do know that they are going to be adding a lot more features and tools for the platform, and it's just another fun toy to play with. So if you liked any of the animations that I did in the 20-second video and you have questions about maybe how I generated some of that or rendered it or set it up, let me know, and we can maybe make more tutorials even based on that. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.